Billy, what is the square root of 4?
10!
No, you moron.
Jimmy, be nice.
Okay, sorry. Right now, between you and me, one of us is smarter than you.
Thank you.
Wait, you clearly only have 2 brain cells, and both of them are fighting for 3rd place.
He's cooking today.
You know, when they were handing out brains, you were queuing up to get a nose.
Don't underestimate me.
It's impossible to underestimate you. If you ever had a clever thought, it died alone and afraid. Holy cow!
This is a freaking slaughter.
I could blow in your ear and you'd say, thanks for the refill.